Greetings from North Carolina. So we're expecting the snow to come tomorrow, and I'm here in the screen porch just checking my plants here. So here's my Thanksgiving cactus, which really had a nice bloom this year. And here's my real Christmas cactus. So I'm debating if I take them inside or just leave it here. I have the heater here though. So here are my plants here. We hope that it won't be that bad of a snow storm. And this is my epiphyllum, which really gave me a lot of flowers this summertime. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. May you like and subscribe. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.